Lynn Thomas at Taghkanic Woodworking. We've used cabinet vision since 1995. And last year, 2007, we added the CNC link. And since adding the CNC link with cabinet vision, we've gotten into some really cool projects. And we've actually had conversations with people who don't have it yet that have talked about, well, you can only draw boxes with it. And I've actually, Paul Corey is one of your reps, I've sent him some photos of walking bridge that we did with it, we turned spindles. We've done curved sofa tables with veneer inlays. And it's just a matter of thinking outside the box, taking the software, creating a cabinet, and then instead of a box, you eliminate all your parts, sit on top, and the face frame, which becomes table rails, and the vertical legs of the face frame becomes legs, those can get shaped. And it's just amazing how much it's helped the shop. It's a your machine to go in. Before I came out to the show, it was kind of slow. The customer called me and said they decided to put a vanity into the bathroom. They're having a party on Friday. I did the measurements in an hour, drew it in another 15 minutes, and had it out in the machine in about half an hour. So total time about 2 hours from site to shop to put the cabinet together. And it's just awesome. I mean, it's just, when you start to use it, you use it for specific items. We actually did some freelance drawing for a company out west, going architectural. They had a full-time person on the architectural woodworking commercial shop. They had a person full-time on staff writing UCSs, creating symbols and methods for all their back-end CAD drawing part of the program. The drawings they were outputting with automatic data, section flags, populating all the material types into the right-hand reference columns, finish types, and it was just so well automated with their UCSs and stuff. So it's just, your imagination is the only way with the software. You just do the working projects with it. I love it. Every day I use it, it's something to do with it. So.